Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So y'all, it is that time to start setting up our retro diner scene. So if you are unaware, myself, Mama Doll Boss, the Doll Life Official, and Aries Creative Concepts are doing a hashtag It's My Birthday collaboration this month for April. And these ladies invited me to host this collaboration with them, and I am super excited. So the whole point of the collaboration is to put together a scene or a diorama using MiniVerse products. You can craft them. You can use ones you already have. You can use the birthday set. You can use some that you have remixed. But we just want you to join us and put together a birthday scene for the hashtag It's My Birthday collaboration. And y'all, I have been working on this retro diner kind of makeover for a minute in my space. So I have decided that we will be using this space for my MiniVerse hashtag It's My Birthday collab. So today I am going through and I am setting up the space. So the base of this setup, y'all, is this restaurant playset that I got at a thrift store for $3. And I went through and made it over using some items that I got from Hobby Lobby with some peel and stick paper and some glitter paper that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I did just a preliminary makeover on it, y'all, just to give it a little extra flair and to tone down the pink. And then I took a section of the Curated Dollhouse to set it up. And I have gotten so many cute little items to go with this, so it is really nice. So to go with this, y'all, one of my dolly friends sent me that arcade that I just put up there because she was like, you can't have a retro diner without an arcade. And then I took some Dollar Tree tables and my Rainbow High table from the Rainbow High house. So the Rainbow High table was already white, but the Dollar Tree tables, the top was pink. So I have spray painted those white to match with the rest of the space. We are also using a lot of the Rainbow High house items, including the sink and the island. But additionally, y'all, I'm also using the Design Studio table to make kind of my little kitchen counter areas and a little bar where people can sit. These chairs I wound up getting from Dollar Tree. So I had, I think, 4 of those tables, and each table came with 2 chairs. But y'all know I've been organizing, and I can only find 4 of the 8 chairs that I should be able to find. So I had to use some other chairs. So the other chairs that I'm using as part of this are my chairs from my Gloria dining room set. I really do like those chairs. I did a makeover on them last year. And they're really nice, and they will fit in the space decently enough because y'all know if y'all go to diners sometimes, especially the mom and pop diners, all of the chairs don't always match, but they at least coordinate. Okay, so we're coordinating this. I'm also using MiniVerse capsules, the shells that we get once you open some of those lifestyle capsules, and I am using those as shelving in the kitchen, so that way I will have some space where I can display some food and glassware and items like that. And then the 2 Rainbow High clear chairs I want to use right up front to make a little bar area, because when I think diner, y'all, I think of the tables and booths. I'm not going to make booths because I don't really want to go through a whole bunch of foam board and contact paper or fabric. But I did at least want to have a little sit there at the bar table or area where you can sit there and have you some cake or, you know, a good little hamburger and just kind of feel like you're in a diner space. So I've been playing around with this diner, I want to say probably a month, y'all. So I have went through the collection and picked out a few things that I really want to use. So there is my MiniVerse appliance. Again, y'all, I am going to MiniVerse this space down. I am using some mini brand items such as my pizza delivery bag that I got. I am using the MiniVerse Hershey series to do some of those items. And then I had those cute little chef hats that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some foodie mini brands and some mini brands in this space as well. But y'all, I have pulled a few things out of the collection to try to fill in this space to make it look how I want it to look. And even though it is a play set, I think using it this way just adds a little extra dimension. Once I have all of the dolls and all of the other ideas in place, I think it's going to work out really good. I really do. I am also going to be using some of the MiniVerse cocktail series for my drinks. Those little trays that it came with, I think are going to be great for serving trays for my car hops or my serving staff. I won't call them car hops. I did think about doing a grass area, y'all. I really did think about doing a grassy area out on the outside where I could like park a couple of cars and make it seem like it was kind of a drive up also. But I decided against that. And here, y'all, these are the food items that I have recently gotten for my birthday from Miss DB. Again, thank you so much for those. Like, oh, I was overjoyed. I could not wait to start setting this up so I could use those. So, y'all, those things that she sent me 2 dolls that come with roller skates, a Barbie and a Ken set that have the roller skates because we're going to be using roller skates for our serving staff. And then she sent me a bunch of food items. So there are like I'm going to call it like a roast beef sandwich or a hoagie. There's some hamburgers and french fries. There are multiple toast, like little breakfast toast, with a little, comes with a coffee cup and a spoon and a little jar of jam. I did not have any jam in my dollhouse, y'all. I love it. I absolutely love it. I know I just kind of hit like a really high pitch right there. But to be adding in the little jam jars, I think that is adorable. And most of everything she sent me, y'all, actually came with trays. And that was the one thing that I was struggling with. Yes, I did get the capsule series. They all come in capsules. Yes, I did get the cocktail series and they have some round trays with it, but that's more for like carrying the food out, not really serving the food on there. So all of the things that she got me, y'all, or at least most of them, had trays to go with it, which is going to be really cute when I actually do the setup with all of the dolls. I love the little breakfast foods that it come with also because, yes, I have a few pancakes. I do. But adding in those really gives it like a breakfast tray feel. And each one of the little toast and breakfast little jam things also comes with a coffee cup. So I got 4 new coffee cups that are a wonderful size for the dollhouse. Yes, there is absolutely no way she would have known how excited I was gonna be with her sending me that, y'all. But I was over the moon. Y'all know I say that over all of the time. I should be an astronaut as many times as I go over the moon about stuff that I get for this dollhouse. But I love it. Additionally, with the playset, I did find that I am just a little space short. I wanted to use my little area that I have a pizza oven, but in the space, I do have enough space, y'all, because you know the curated dollhouse is a pretty good size, but I haven't figured out how to do it without the kitchen looking too clunky. So I may actually wind up switching out the sink area, though I really do want to use it because it has great storage underneath. But I may wind up switching that out because I really want to get my pizza oven in the space. And even though y'all do see me in the video here in a bit, I do add the pizza oven to it. It just doesn't give me the same feel that it did when I was testing it out in one of the other scenes that I did for those Barbie You Create kits when I had all of the ladies sitting up there. So I may be doing some switching out. Yeah, there it is right there. So you see I added it in. It looks really nice, but it just doesn't feel how I want it to feel right now, y'all. I don't know why, but y'all know in the curated dollhouse, we set stuff up, we tweak, we move, we shift, we rearrange, we adjust until it tells me in my spirit and in my soul that it is ready, and it is not telling me that right now. But I am super excited about getting this set up. So now I'm putting the little coffee cups up under the little microwave area that I did by the pizza oven in the playset. I also will be adding the hamburger and the hoagies to the actual like fry top in the playset because I thought that looked really good to add a little dimension back there as well. I love that it has a little refrigerator underneath the drink area that I put up there, my little MiniVerse appliance. So I will be filling in the fridge with some additional items that I'm going to pick out. And I'm thinking, y'all, like my ice cream, some cupcakes, maybe some other little cake slices, something that, you figure somebody can go up and, pull something out and then just pay for it at the register. I did forget to put my register in this one, y'all, but again, it's still a work in progress. And I still have a couple of more ideas that I want to work with because like I put that little black and white area in the kitchen. I'm not loving it. I did say I was going to go back to Hobby Lobby and get a couple of more of those, but y'all know I also said I wanted to use that as the floor. So I'm still tweaking it. I have until the 28th, and I'm probably going to be late to get the video posted for the hashtag It's My Birthday collaboration with those other 3 channels. But yeah, I am excited about what it's looking like so far. And I'm loving all of the foods that I'm able to add into it because y'all, as nice as the diner playset looks, as nice as the tables and the little kitchen area is starting to fill in, if you don't have the food, it won't feel like a diner space. And I really wanted to feel like a retro diner. So we will be using some of my dolls on roller skates. We'll be doing some of the dolls with like a 50s kind of grease biker, like a grease with the nice like 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertibles. And we'll be doing like a grease too with the leather jackets and the motorcycles because y'all know I recently also got the number 7 item on my grail list, which is the Harley Davidson motorcycle. So yeah, we have a lot of ideas that we're going to continue to use to fill in with this. But I wanted y'all to see kind of how my thought process is coming out for this one, how I'm adding in stuff, how I've had to kind of finagle since I've been organizing. I can't find some of my other stuff, how I'm making it work. But overall, y'all, I really do think it is turning out really well. And I am excited, so excited for y'all to see the entire finished space with all the dolls and everything once we have the collaboration video up and posted. I will have all of the information for the collab linked in the description box below. Again, y'all, we really do hope that you will join us for this. I think it is going to be really fun to pull out your MiniVerse, create a scene or a diorama around a birthday scene using some MiniVerse. And I am super excited about this. So as always, y'all remember to like, share, and subscribe. But if you don't do any of those 3, make sure you leave us comments and let me know what you think about our retro diner setup so far. And if you all are interested in joining the collaboration, I hope you will because I think we will have a blast. Until next time, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Bye, y'all.